This is day 142, Mentality at Scale. Most of the tasks we perform each day are simple, singular actions. We respond to an email, cook a meal, complete a workout, or solve a small problem at work. These are individual efforts, and we rarely consider how things would change if we had to do the same task thousands of times in a short period. But this shift in thinking, this awareness of scale, is where true value is created. Scaling isn't just about doing more, it's about thinking differently. The moment we ask, how would this process work at scale, we introduce constraints that force innovation. Suddenly, the small inefficiencies that didn't matter before become major obstacles. The intuitive steps we once took without thought now require deliberate structure. This is the mentality shift that separates those who do from those who build. So there's a hidden complexity of scale. Consider a simple task, cooking a single meal. If you're making dinner for yourself, you don't need much thought. You gather the ingredients, follow a recipe, and adjust as you go. Now imagine you need to cook that same meal for 10,000 people in a single evening. Immediately, everything changes. You can't just do more of what worked before. You have to rethink the entire process. Ingredients need to be sourced in bulk and delivered on time. Cooking must be broken down into repeatable, efficient steps. Quality must be maintained at scale. Systems must be in place to handle unexpected problems. The difference between performing a task and running an operation at scale is vast. What was once a simple action now requires logistics, automation, refined execution. The mindset of scaling. The ability to think at scale is what enables people to create value beyond themselves. A craftsman can build a single chair, but a business owner must design a system that produces thousands of chairs with consistent quality. A programmer can write one piece of software, but a technology leader must build a platform that serves millions of users without failure. This shift in thinking requires process awareness, recognizing inefficiencies and designing workflows that allow for repeatability, system thinking, viewing tasks not as isolated actions, but as interconnected components of a larger system, leverage automation, finding ways to scale effort through technology, delegation, and optimized processes, resilience and adaptation, building systems that anticipate failure and can adapt to changing circumstances. The truth is, most of us never need to think at scale. But those who do, those who train their minds to see beyond the singular action, become the inventors, the creators, the operators of systems that drive value in the world. The mentality shift. Scaling isn't just for businesses or technology. It applies to everything. Whether you're training for a marathon, growing a personal brand, or developing leadership skills, the question remains, how does this look at scale? Thinking in this way forces efficiency, removes waste, and creates opportunities that wouldn't exist otherwise. If you want to expand your impact, build something lasting, or create value that extends beyond yourself, start training your mind to think beyond the singular task. Challenge yourself to see the bigger picture. Because at the end of the day, the difference between effort and impact is the ability to scale.